guys, welcome back. So today is BMW day. Finally have just about everything to fix this car up, hopefully to perfect. My axles came in, wheel speed sensors, lower control arms, end links, all of that. So we'll be installing that today, getting this car tow ready finally. So I'm hyped.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Stabilizer link, sway bar end link, whatever you want to call it. I'll see you. officially ready to start towing, which is super exciting. It feels a lot better now with the new suspension. I've been driving it around for a little bit and I'm really happy with it. There's no more noises, no more knocking. It feels significantly more stable, even though it wasn't like shocks or anything that needed to be replaced. But even those few, in my, you know, opinion, I think that we kind of overlook, you know, things like the end lanes and lower control arms from time to time made a massive difference. So I'm super happy. Finally get to use this car for the purpose that I bought it for. Everything is ready to go. So that is super exciting and I can't wait to share with you guys towing my cars with the X5. Peace out and I will see you in the next one.